we ever gonna do any actual blacksmithing on this channel?
Howdy folks, welcome to an episode of Cooking with a Blacksmith. I'm your host Richard, and today we're going to cook up something special for you. Now I originally started filming this in the dusk hours just because the forge looks really beautiful at night. However, you can't see anything else going on here, so just a little bit of the clip of sticking a hot dog in molten aluminum and seeing what happens in the dark. It's quite beautiful, honestly. Now today what we're going to be cooking up is a lovely tropical dish. I call it tropical. It's a hot dog topped with some tropical flavored aluminum sauce. Do not try this at home actually though. This is not actual real food. This is not a real cooking documentation. Do not try to sue me because you did something stupid. Enjoy. Now the first step in preparing this dish is to prepare the molten aluminum sauce. Now, aluminum is one of the lower melting points in metals, but it's still really dang hot, and you would not want to stick your finger in it. I can tell you that right now. Now, the first thing I'm going to stick in here on my little inserter contraption here is some chicken bone. I'll tell you something right now. Chicken bone in molten aluminum, for whatever reason, smells awful. I don't know what to describe it as, but it is an awful smell. Now, chicken bone getting nice and charred in here, adding the essence of bone to the sauce. Now we need a little bit of hot dog, your protein into the sauce. You can also imagine this being your finger if you stuck that into molten aluminum. Molten aluminum is much, much hotter than boiling water, but I still wouldn't stick your finger in boiling water either, because that'd be dumb. That'd be real dumb. Hopefully this time I remember to actually turn my mic on and I'm actually recording properly instead of just talking to myself. Now we're going to try to grab this here hot dog with some tongs. It does not work very well because, well, hot dogs are flimsy. Now we're going to shove it in the molten aluminum, and believe it or not, the hot dog tries to float on the aluminum. Now as the hot dog's heating up really quickly, the vapors inside it are rapid, or the water, the fluid inside it's turning into a gas really quickly. And that's causing a lot of aluminum to splatter about, which is why I have the fire bricks around there. But it does smell good. Much better than chicken bone anyways. Let that cook in there and get the essence of hot dog into the aluminum sauce. In reality, I just wanted to stick a bunch of food items in molten aluminum and see what happened. Get it nice and charred there. Imagine that was your finger and you stuck it in there. You wouldn't be using that finger no more, I promise you that. Now, next up, we got to top off our aluminum because it started to splatter over and run low. So, that was really loud. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, now we're going to melt these aluminum cans in here. It's honestly quite satisfying to melt an entire can and watch it disappear into the molten aluminum. No, this video is not sponsored by Red Bull. I would like it to be, but it's not. It's like a little magic trick, sticking a can into a tiny little hat and watching it disappear. Disappear, I mean melt into a glorious, beautiful molten aluminum. Yeah, we can pretend this is adding wings to our sauce. Gotta have that wings essence. Now some banana. Always throwing some banana in there. Does not want to go down into this molten aluminum. Come on, go on. Losing aluminum, it's splattering out as all the liquids inside the banana vaporize into an instant steam. Those little bubbles pop up and throw aluminum all over the place. This is why you don't try this at home, folks. Don't try this at home. Let me do the stupid stuff for you. And if you haven't already and you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And feel free to comment down below on what else you'd like me to stick into some molten metal. Right now we're tossing in a few extra little baby carrots. Just shoving them deep in there, let them cook into the sauce. Carrots add a nice flavor to any good sauce. Nice sweet vegetable, very healthy for you. And we'll try to grab this here bit of hot dog we have left. I'll shove that in there real good, nice and smoky. Shove it in all the way. Let it cook nice and deep, get that protein into the sauce. Now, more chicken bone. Because, you know, I love the smell of cooking chicken bone in molten aluminum. Not really, it's horrible. Disgusting. Stuck to my clothes too. Had to change my clothes after this video. Now we're going to prepare a dish. Throw a little chicken bone in the pan. Let's try to grab some banana. Gotta have some banana on your dish. Oh, it's delicious looking. Still steaming. Throw that in there. And don't forget our protein, the main portion of this. And now to top it off with some delicious banana peel. And a nice little garnish of grass. Oh, you always include your garnish of grass in there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful dish. Now, to top it with the main ingredient, molten aluminum. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful dish. Smell that lovely chicken bone cooking under that molten aluminum. Delicious. Delicious meal right here. Hope you all enjoy. Please again comment down below on what else you want me to melt. Within reason. Don't post anything too crazy for me to melt because, you know. Hope you all have a nice day.